Hi guys, as you can see I'm at the Relic Creek. I'm gonna go on the other side tomorrow. I'm already a bit chilly, so I'll come right here first off tomorrow and I'll just do the bank on the other side. A lot of crap, but there might be some more old coins there. On the field in the back I found fish scale, KG3, so. But I got a eyeball find here. Looks like a dog tag. I think the way the day is going, that's the score. My other little park, nothing but clad. But it will be a good little place to go to spend time anyway. I already did this 2 years ago, but we had lots of rain this spring, so I'm sure everything moved around. All the cattail islands moved up. I'm gonna go at the fairgrounds after this. Pretty soon, actually. I like doing bedrock. It's easy digging. Now I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna bring my waders inside tonight. See where the holes are. Take them up. I'll come back here across the creek tomorrow morning. This here is very nice, but it's lots of rock. Targets are very hard to dig here. Oh, we'll see you at the fair. On to the next, guys. First interesting find of the day. I'm at the old fairground, Relic Town. This thing's been in action since 180 years. That's what I was told. 186. So I saw flat rock, bedrock here, which is always good if you're worried about new soil being brought over. So I had a hit here, 2-inch, and as soon as I put the shovel I could feel the bedrock, which is good. And I saw a quick glance, looks like a buckle. Not sure. That's pretty cute. Nothing wrong with a buckle. Sweet. First decent find of the day. Okay guys, on to the next morning, guys. Saturday morning. See, I'm back at my school where I found the eyeball ring. Notice the color of this one. This might be an older penny. Not a King George, but oh yeah, King George VI. Nice. I'm going super slow this morning. Seems to be paying off. I already have a quarter and 2 pennies. Okay guys, on to the next. Hey guys, let's do a live dig. Pretty decent signal here. Could be anything from a dime, a penny, to a quarter. Possible silver. Penny. Modern. Ugh. Nothing miraculous so far. I'm gonna have to go through the sand area there, see if I can pick up a car at least. Okay guys, on to the next. Morning guys. There's some frost out. It's not frozen though. I'm gonna try to cross the creek. I got one of my 2 pairs of waders on. I just hope those are the ones with the least amount of holes in them, because it's gonna be cold. Pretty sure this is the best path to go. It's not that it's deep, it's fast. So you take your time. I'll let you know as soon as I got some cold stuff coming in. This is Relic Town, by the way. So far, so good. And always remember, when you're crossing a creek, it's not how fast you get on the other side. It's if you get on the other side without falling on your butt. Let's take a peek in here. Lots of musket balls here. Well, so far, oof, a little deep spot here. I don't feel any wetness so far. That's good. Slowly make my way on the other side. Yeah, that would be cold. Fall in there. Well, one good thing, there won't be any snakes today. Unless we get that polar bear snake. He's big and hairy. I feel some coldness on the left leg. Let's hurry up, get on the other side. Right on top of my foot. I brought some socks in my Jeep. Oh, that's not too bad. Ooh. It wasn't too bad. The Jeep. As long as it doesn't rain like crazy up north, we'll be good. Okay, lots of garbage here. Not too much. If I'd be on the other side of the creek, then you'd see lots of garbage. I'm looking for old stuff. Old coins. Relics, musket balls. Civil War bullets. whole bunch of relics. Oh, whoops. A little bit of heartburn. Woke up at like 2:30 in the morning. It's a can right there. Yeah, and decided it was a good idea to finish my bag of Doritos. Right back to bed. Kind of good for that. Of course, I washed it down with some Pepsi. I wonder why I got a sore stomach in the morning. Got the iron on this because it's one thing there's a lot of is fencing and nails, so it cuts that off a little bit. Not too much so far. Okay guys, come back when I get something. On to the next. Yeah guys, that creek will be good if you have lots of time in the spring, but it's a bit too cold to stand around and dig out pieces of cans. I know there's a lot of that, but it's a nice trek across. And plus I had to warm up. I didn't get too wet, but it was starting to get pretty cold. I don't want to get a flu or something this week. So I'm going to head out back to my secondary school. I usually find something in there. I'll dig a few holes, see what we get. It's gonna be a nice day. The light's on, it's a little bit dark. Okay guys, I'll see you there. On to the next one guys. You know, left the creek. Sun's coming up. Let's do a live hunt. This is where I found the ring on the first hole. I'll do some detecting until I don't feel my toes anymore. I forgot I took the insoles out of these waders. Good thing the ground's not frozen right off. I'd be in the Jeep heading home already. So I kept them on, see if they can keep the body heat inside. Possible tokens here. Large cents. Rings. Crotal bell. I wonder if I got a harmonica reed here or what. There's a nice little signal. Let's check it out. It was 6 inch. So make that 4 or 5 inch. There we go. See the green there. See if I have. Those aren't my jeans. Looks older. Not positive. Not that old. It's not a King George the Fifth or anything. But I'll take it. Looks like a young Elizabeth. But I'm not sure. On to the next, guys. So showed a dime. Got a dime, and then I saw something pretty cool, but it's not what it looks like. Yeah, hold on there. They are earrings. I doubt they're real, but I'll check it at home. The dime was there. If it's gold, the dime beeped it, not the gold, so possible gold earrings. That would be a score. There's a few other hits there. I just heard the phone, of course. Well, I can't believe I left the camera on for my phone. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's check this. Got a few weird beeps right about here. The thing when I stop moving with these waders, get pretty cold on the toesies. I'm gonna dig this one. It's choppy, but One spill or what? Check it out. And those two earrings were hooked together. I don't know if that's a good sign. Their name. Glad. Ooh. Getting old. Check it out. Deep squeaker. So's 9" with the Bounty Hunter, but can be a big piece deep. Or sometimes the Bounty Hunter impresses me. I don't think this will be one of the times. It's in the shovel. I think the Bounty Hunter is getting cold too. Okay guys, on to the next good target. Hey guys, Michael here from the Canadian Relic Hunters. As you can see, it was a busier weekend. Had actually a day off, not sick Friday, so made for a long weekend. Good thing because I didn't score the big score, but I did have fun and got out there. Under 2 hours every day pretty much. It was nice weather. No snow yet, and it wasn't even freezing, except for this morning. Had frost, but the ground wasn't frozen. Anyway, let's get started with this. This is Friday. Friday I tried a new spot. And as you can see, it didn't come through too much. I got two loonies, 4 dimes. With this 12 pennies, 13 pennies, memorial. Found a lock. Sinker. This was an eyeball find. That's when I went fed in that little park, the new park. Found that on the bedrock in the creek. Not that old. I like dog tags. Moose. And I kept these. These were, as you can see, part on a horseshoe and snapped. But I did dig a nice little buckle. This was back at the fair. After that little park, which is maybe a quarter of a football field, if that. But I must have been there maybe half an hour. Everything else. A few of those pennies. I think I had a loony there. And this, that was it. I don't know, could be a belt, but it's not green, so it's not that old, but still a buckle. And Saturday I went to my elementary school again. But look, I was there maybe 2 hours, I think. And look at all the cloud still. Still a lot to hit. I was going a little bit slower with the machine in the good areas, but so 2 quarters, nickel, 6 dimes, 12, 13 pennies again. That's weird. Got Paul CCR. This at first I thought it was a shotgun stamp, but no original, so it's probably some kind of gear or part of an axle on an electric toy. So I kept it copperish. Of course, the bent nail rang like as they always do, ring really good. I'll make sure you're on the school if you're gonna take some of these. This one's weird, seems a bit small. And this, I'm sure, looks like a Ferrari Testarossa or something. I always keep my car parts. Oh, it's true, I did find a King George VI, 43. Pretty good shape. I feel a bit better now, I forgot about that one. 65 nickel. Keep my 60s. And Sunday, where did I go today? Oh yeah, I went at the high school in Relic Town, and I spent I think I was there 2 hours this morning. It was pretty good. I'm gonna have to stop going here a bit to the elementary school and use the secondary school as a filler for my new locations with this one. So I got lucky this morning. Oh, by the way, Friday, this is my semi-crap, part of a bell. I can't see any markings on it, but it's cool. I'm not sure if I'm gonna throw it away. And this was it's part of a header panel off a car, I think. I hope my thumb wasn't covering the microphone. Part of a hose ending, I think. Some kind of aluminum. Here's a square nail. The corrosion almost was making it round. Front of a leash. This I'm not sure. I like the color. It's green metal army type. I don't know. Who knows over there? We almost said the name of the town. Relic Town, seen quite some action, so you don't know what you're gonna get there. Okay, back to Sunday. I didn't get much, like as you can see, I kept the oddballs, so that's why I don't have a lot of thing here. But of course, handling this thing, I almost forget it. It wasn't an impressive day, so I cut through my little old sandbox area. I was getting a huge hit all the time. I never thought it was a big object. So I thought it was a car like 8 or 7 inch deep. So I dug it, missed the hole. Then I see this. The head was almost hanging out. So I picked it up, cleaned it, took the battery off. I'm gonna try another battery. So that's probably gonna be returned back if I can get all the wheels working. Cool. Thomas. I think it's a 2009. Pretty cool. So back to Sunday. Sorry guys. I got one on camera, I think. Two $2 coins, so that's good. 2 quarters, 3 dimes, 9 pennies, 2 memorial. So coin wise, not too impressive. Well, fine wise also. Another one of those horseshoe nails. Tiny square nail. From the sinker, that's when I crossed the creek. Probably gonna put that video on, at least you can see me cross the creek. Waiting for the trip and fall, but I'm pretty good. Backing up a watch. Had me going at first. Found this weird thing. I'm not sure. It's a button. Oh, looks like there's some kind of writing on it. Very faint. I think I see an N in there. I don't know. I'll try to check it out. If so, it'll probably give me a better idea what it is. Yeah, it looks like there's markings on it. It's cool, huh? And this, dug this one with a dime in the hole, so it was a dime penny signal. Then I'm digging. I dug the dime first, then seen this, and it's not gold, because it rang like silver. But then I got thinking, well, no, hold on, the dime was in there. Took the dime ring and came here. I wasn't too optimistic about it, but I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure it's not gold. The tarnish, but yeah, kind of cool though. Had me going. It doesn't sound like gold either. So 98%, 99% sure this isn't gold. I'll keep looking around it. I've seen some weird faded gold before, so that's it. Oh, funny news. I think you saw me. If I keep the clip, let me find this thing. It was because it's last week when my machine hit max. I kind of freaked. No, I didn't freak out, but so this one was about the same. Another full tilt hit, and I forgot how it goes with these big square round objects. So anyway, sorry for the mega buster finds this week, but the fun is you try to make the best finds with what you got. So bullet, I'm happy, been a while. Fake bling, this might be good, not sure yet. This is cool, Thomas, could be a collector's item, who knows. Oh, I forgot this. This rang silverish. It weighs pretty heavy. Damn. Pretty heavy. So it might be silver. I'm still looking for markings, but I'm not sure. So it might be a silver weekend after all. And this stuff. Okay, I know it could be lead, because on the back side, well, look, this is all the same stuff. Look at the front. That's probably me seeing things everywhere. I don't know. It's kind of cool. Okay, I think that's it. I got everything covered. Yep. So, okay, guys. Hopefully, I'll be able to dig again next weekend. Try to get back for this one. So thanks for watching, guys. Thank you all my subscribers for watching and liking. And I like watching your videos too. Drum the Tech, little shout out quickie. And Cottage Bruce, metal detecting. I don't know if I have his name right. I know it's Bruce. I know there's Cottage, so thumbs up for Bruce. Gave me a hand in my giveaway, which I can't wait to get in my hands. Okay, enough waffling there. I'll let you go, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.